Welcome to part 3 of the purchase order transaction processing. Part 3 will be the conclusion of the purchase order transaction processing, and it will include the following.
Part 3 will include the following: receipting a purchase order into inspection, capturing inspection results, querying purchase orders with inspection information, and lastly, accepting items from inspection. We're going to go to purchase orders, and we're going to go to purchase order processing, and we're going to go to purchase order receipts. So here we're going to enter the purchase order, so 440, and we're going to tap off. Okay, so as you can see, we have the stock code as well as the description, the warehouse, and the quantity. And we're going to receipt this line, which is something we already did in the previous tutorial. So we're going to select receipt line, and we're going to make sure counted quantity complete is deselected. And we're also going to go ahead and deselect print inspection document. And here on suppliers delivery note, we're going to enter the suppliers delivery note. And for example's sake, let's just say it's RV. Let's make it caps, RV 123. And now we're going to scroll down. As you can see here on the long description, it's written inspection item. That means this specific item is going to go into inspection. Okay, and we are now going to post. We're going to say okay. And take note of the GRN because we're going to need it later. So 314, and we're going to close. We're going to say okay, and it's posted. So we're going to start by going to purchase orders, and we're going to go to order processing, and we're going to go to order inspection. Remember when I said remember the GRN, this is where we're going to use it. So 314, and we're going to tap off. So there we have the GRN, and we are currently here on count. So here you're going to put in the number of items that you have counted, and in this case it's 36. You're going to tap off, and you're going to tick the count complete box. So mine is already ticked, it's grayed out because I already did this already. And you're going to post. But because I already posted this transaction, I'm not going to select post, because when you count again, it adds to the number you already counted previously. So we're going to go to the inspection. Here you're going to enter the amount of items that you are receiving. So we're going to say inspected 24, and we're going to tap off. So here you're going to enter the reference for your inspection document. So I'm just going to leave mine as is. And here you can say inspection complete, and we're going to post. And we're going to go to scrap. Now you enter the amount that you're scrapping. So we're going to say 9. And again, I'm going to tap off. You're going to enter the reference for your scrap document, so you can enter anything that will help you to refer to this specific scrap document. So reason for scrap, we're going to scroll for a reason, or you can even type it in if you know the inspection reason code. Here we're going to say DG, which is damaged goods, and we're going to select. And I'm just going to untick the print scrap note document, and we are going to post. And then we're going to come to reject, and here we're going to enter the amount of items we are rejecting. If I remember correctly, 3 is the number we are rejecting, and we're going to tap off again. This is where you can put a reference for your rejection document, and we're going to tap off to the next one and reject reason. You can type it in or you can scroll for one. So again, here I'm going to say damaged goods, and we're going to select, and we're going to tap off, and we're going to say return to supplier, and there we have our supplier right there. And again, for this one, I'm going to untick the print return note document and post. As you can see, we have the counted, inspected, scraped, and rejected quantities, all referring to the same GRN. So, and that is it for the purchase order inspection, and we're going to close. So we're going to go to purchase orders, and we're going to go to purchase order query. And here we're going to enter the purchase order number, which is 440, and we're going to tap off. And we're going to highlight the stock code, the garden chair green, and we're going to go here on inspection, and we're going to click on show. And we're going to select the GRN 314, and we're going to right click, and we're going to select view transactions. As you can see, this is where you will see the transactions that we just posted. We counted 36 items, we inspected 24, we scrapped 9, and we rejected 3. The other 2 were the ones that I did prior to this exercise, so we can ignore those, and we're going to close. And here is the GRN for the stock that has been inspected, and so we're just going to right click, and we're going to select view transactions. As you can see, we have the quantity, which is 24, and this is our new GRN for the stock that we are now going to receive. So 289, and we're going to close, and we're going to close the program. Now we're going to accept the items from inspection. So we're going to go to purchase orders, and we're going to go to purchase order processing, and we're going to go to purchase order inspection. And we're going to, say no. We're going to put in the new GRN, which is 289, and we're going to tap off. And that's the 24 right there. And we're going to enter 24 counted. And we're going to accept into stock fixation, let's say 1, and here we're going to choose a bin that it's going to go to S, and we're going to save and close, accept, and we're going to post, and we're going to say OK and OK. Again, you have the option to print or preview or even close. And there you have it. You have receipted 24 inspected items into stock.
We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Be sure to like, comment which videos you'd like to see next, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on our new uploads. Thank you for watching.